Welcome to CATrak, the only anti-theft solution that provides real-time deterrence and notification of a theft in progress. Firstly, load the CATrak app on your phone, register the device, populate your profile, and be sure to list the contacts who are to be notified in the rare event of a theft. CATrak is shipped fully assembled. You will need the following tools. Simple steps to a successful CATrak installation. Let the vehicle cool down before attempting to work under the hood or under the vehicle around exhaust. The next step is important so that the installation is thorough. Have a plan. With the hood open, review the area around your battery for the best place to install the siren and cut detect module. Remove the CATrak fuse. Now using eye protection and gloves, carefully disconnect positive, red battery terminal. Inspect battery terminal for corrosion before connecting CATrak harness red ring terminal. Repeat these steps for the black negative terminal. Use a zip tie to secure the CDT module to an existing wiring harness within 18 inches from the battery. Find a location within 18 inches of the car's battery and mount the siren. Now plug in the siren's male connector to the female connector found on the CDT. Once you have identified the catalytic converter, clean it and remove any guards or plates that may be obstructing the ability to install CATrak. Measure the width of the catalytic converter. Using tin snips, cut the excess metal strap 3 times the width of the catalytic converter. As an example, if the catalytic converter is 5 inches wide, cut the 30-inch strap down to 15 inches in length. With the strap cut to 3 times the width of your converter, insert the strap through the rack with the bandit letters facing outward. Measure approximately 2 inches from the end of the strap and fold the strap back over to secure the rack in place. With the screw seal and rack attached to the strap, apply 6-inch piece of 1.5-inch adhesive to the saddle bracket and remove the adhesive liner. Wrap the CATrak strap around the catalytic converter with the device positioned inward between the 1 and 3 o'clock position and harness pointing upward. Torque the screw seal until the CATrak casing side brackets touch the catalytic converter. Do not attempt to reinstall and adjust the position once adhesive has touched the converter surface. The thermal adhesive cannot be removed once adhered. By doing so, the adhesive will not function as designed. Similar to the vehicle's oxygen sensor harness located near the catalytic converter, navigate the 84-inch CATrak harness and 3-pin connector up along the frame, away from all high temp and moving parts towards the engine compartment and battery. It's easiest to straighten and attach a clothes hanger to the male 3-pin connector when routing the harness from under the vehicle to the battery area under the hood. Plug the 3-pin male connector into the CDT module female connector and secure harness using all 10 zip ties supplied in the kit. Now remove the liner from the 22-inch strip of adhesive and cover the entire mounting strap starting at the plastic thermal. Be sure to cover the length of the strap from one side of the case to the other, including the screw seal and rack. The thermal adhesive will bond once the exhaust surface gets hot and will form a permanent seal around the strap. Now remove the red liner labeled 3M. CATrak is now secured to the catalytic converter as shown to the right, and the 84-inch harness has been navigated from the catalytic converter under the vehicle and plugged into the CDT under hood, free of all moving or high-temp components. Inspect all components upon completion to ensure every connection is secure. 100% of the harness is snug using all 10 zip ties. Recheck the power and ground connections at the battery, making certain that the battery terminals are clean and tight. Double-check that the siren is securely mounted and the CDT module is securely fastened. Before powering the CATrak, It is important to follow the below sequence step by step to reset the siren timer. Remove and reinstall the jumper plug, or simply disconnect the 3-pin connection. 1. CATrak app loaded from the App Store. 2. Device registered in-app. 3. Vehicle VIN and device serial number associated. 4. Profile updated in the app. 5. Contacts defined in app. 6. Hardware properly installed. Power the CATrak system by installing the fuse. CATrak has been installed. One final systems check will confirm hardware and app are functioning accurately and in sync. By removing the jumper plug, you are simulating a theft. This activates the siren and cellular concurrently. Your audible warning, siren, will sound for 60 seconds, and you will now receive an SMS text alert reflecting a theft in progress. Congrats! Now that your siren has sounded and you have received an alert via SMS text, you have verified that everything is functioning properly. Pull the fuse back out to reset your CDT siren timer. Reinstall the jumper plug and reinstall the fuse.